coming out of the dugout, Lawrence the Shotgun Dumamag. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming out of the dugout, James Pakamalan. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here at Imus Cavite Sports Complex in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 110 pounds. He has a record of 5 wins, 1 draw, 4 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Tiger City Boxing Gym, Mandaluyong City. Ladies and gentlemen, Lawrence the Shotgun Dumamag. Dumamag. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 110 pounds. He has a record of 3 wins, 2 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Alchemist Boxing Team, Bulacan, Bulacan. Ladies and gentlemen, James Pakamalan. Pakamalan. Judges at ringside, Noel Haduka, Ala Llaneta, Carlo Baluyot. Third man in the ring, referee Don Arguelles. 6 rounds of professional boxing.
Okay, boxers, come on. Hey. Okay, guys, alam niyo ang rules. Kaya dapat wala akong makitang hindi dapat gawin, ha? Obey my commands at all time. Protect yourself at all time. Okay? Touch glove.
And we're expecting an exciting contest. 6 rounds po, parehong wala pang talo. Si Pakamalan at si Dumamag. Dumamag, ang record po niya is 5-0 with 1 draw, 4 knockouts. So in 5 wins, 4 na knockout niya. Matinding sumuntok ito si Dumamag at tawag sa kanya the Shotgun. At si Pakamalan naman, 3-0 ang record niya, 2 knockouts. So again, majority of his wins coming by way of knockout. In his last fight, tinapos po niya si Justin Rosell in 3 rounds. Rosell was down in round 1, down in round 3, and he won by a stoppage. Yan po si Pakamalan. At si Dumamag, tawag sa kanya Shotgun, siya po yung kaliwete. And he came into the ring wearing a Toronto Raptors number 15 jersey ni Vince Carter. Half man, half amazing. At yan po ang iniidolo ni Dumamag, si Vince Carter. Ito makikita natin kung nakakadunk naman kaya si Dumamag gaya ni Vince Carter. Malalaman po natin sa laban na to. Pakamalan versus Dumamag. This is in the flyweight division. They actually weighed 2 pounds less than the flyweight limit of 112. Batang-bata po sila. Si Dumamag is 24. Pakamalan is 20 years old. Si Pakamalan yung half blondie. Yung kanyang buhok hindi mo ma-spelling. Kalahati blonde, kalahati hindi. Para nahihirapan yata si Pakamalan to figure out itong southpaw stance ni Dumamag. Wala pang masyadong action in this fight so far. Yun, tumama yung kanan ni Pakamalan. Nag-back off dun si Dumamag. A shot to the body there by Pakamalan. And another shot to the body, this time from Dumamag. Dumamag. Oh, sandali. Tumama yung kaliwa yata yun. Sa midsection ni Pakamalan, kanya he took a knee. Para nga nangyari kay Donaire versus Inoue. In the first fight, when he took a knee, after a body shot, ito makita natin kung ano nangyari dito. Dumamag. What a power puncher. Got him with a shot to the body. Bumagsak po si Pakamalan. Round number 1. Parang hindi masyadong malakas si Dumamag kung makikita natin ang kanyang physique. But boy, he's got power behind those shots. Bumagsak po si Pakamalan from a body shot in round number 1. Took a knee. And ito po ang ating round girl. Punch of the round, it's gotta be the knockdown. Ito po ang nangyari. Yun, sa tagiliran, no? Tumama yun. Ininda ka agad ni Pakamalan and tatamaan pa siya ng kaliwa doon. Watch it here. Ito, yung left hand na pumasok, that was towards the rib cage, parang solar plexus punch yun. And then, ininda, no, tumama pa yung kaliwa ni Dumamag. So, a left hand, a left to the rib cage, a solar plexus punch. And that sent Pakamalan down. Teka, an inadvertent bell. Nag-umpisa na yung laban. Kabebe lang. Ang bilis naman. Okay, ito na. And remember, tumama yung kaliwa ni Dumamag sa midsection ni Pakamalan in round number 1. Bumagsak po si Pakamalan to show you the power ni shotgun. Ito. Matapon ng suntok. Dumamag. Pakamalan. A lot of haymakers being thrown here. Nice left-hand shot coming from Dumamag. Pero bukang depensa ng Dumamag dito, no? Hindi lang masyadong nakakasuntok si Pakamalan. He needs to be a little more accurate with his shots. Pakamalan has a lot of ground to cover. Bumagsak siya round number 1. Right jab coming from the southpaw Dumamag. And then a right hand. Left hand coming from Dumamag. Pakamalan showing more aggressiveness dito sa round number 2. To try to recover from that knockdown scored by Dumamag. Left straight from Dumamag and then followed by a right jab. Very frisky si Pakamalan. Pakamalan is moving forward, charging, para hindi masyadong tumatama kanyang mga suntok. Wild swing there by Dumamag. Dumamag also his accuracy going down. Right jab, that should be his trademark. That should be his standard. Yung right jab, that will set up his left hand. Remember, it was a left hand that hit the body of Pakamalan to score that knockdown in round number 1. And again, a left hand. And then a right hook coming from Dumamag. Yan ang damaging hand ni Dumamag, yung kanyang kaliwa. That's a dangerous hand of Dumamag, the shotgun. Combination coming from Dumamag. just as Pakamalan was coming in.
6 seconds.
End of round number 2. A lot of action in that spirited second round. Pakamalan showing more aggressiveness, trying to come back from that first round knockdown. Yan po, nakikita natin si Lawrence Dumamag. Punch of the round natin brought to you by San Miguel Pier. That was a left hand that grazed the elbow of Pakamalan. And then the right hand. So that was a left hand of Dumamag that scored. And then he'll score with another left hand on the face of Pakamalan. So another good round there for Dumamag. But we are scheduled for 6. It could be a war of attrition kung sinong matibay sa kanilang dalawa in terms of resistance and stamina. Round number 3. Dumamag shooting that right hand from the southpaw stance, lowering both his arms. Hindi siya matamaan ni Pakamalan. And Dumamag is actually goading Pakamalan to come in, bringing down his guard, inviting him to shoot so that he can then come back with a counter. Referee Don Arguelles, nasabihin yung dalawang boxer. Una-una, si Pakamalan, keep his punches up. At si Dumamag naman, to stop circling away. Tinamaan doon si Pakamalan. Ito na naman si Dumamag and got him again with the left hand. That left hand continues to connect. And Pakamalan he's been staggered here at least twice. And Dumamag knows it, so he's going in for the kill. Pumipikit-pikit na si Pakamalan. A little glassy-eyed, a little rubbery-legged. Let's see whether he can withstand this assault. Galing kay Dumamag. That killer blow, that left hand, keeps connecting. And now the right hand. More shots coming from Dumamag. Ayaw na bumagsak ni Pakamalan. Pakamalan telling Dumamag, let's get it on. Pero halos hindi siya sumusuntok dito. He's taking a lot of punishment. And it's important for Dumamag not to punch himself out. At sabi ni Pakamalan, sige, pasok ka, itira mo, tinan mo. He's actually telling him now to move closer so that he can counter. But Pakamalan, make no mistake about it, he got hurt earlier in this round. Parang iniintay lang niyang mapagod si Dumamag para siya naman ang magka-counter. Oh, low blow from Pakamalan. Dumamag can't seem to find his range now. He's got to have a little bit of distance. Palagi niyang inaayos yung kanyang waistband, si Dumamag. It's taking away a little bit of his timing. Oh, ewan ko kung anong ginagawa niya doon sa kanyang waistband. Ito na naman. Parang habit yata niya. But you know, it takes away from his timing instead of focusing, concentrating on what he should do. He's distracted by continuing to pull down his waistband. Ito yung mga maliliit na bagay na kuminsan napupunan natin. Nice defense there by Dumamag. Just rolling away from the punches. Another big round there for the shotgun Dumamag from Tiger City, Mandaluyong. End of the third round. Pahingal na si Pakamalan. He took a lot of punishment in that third round, pero hindi siya bumagsak. Credit to him, a round girl, announcing round number 4 coming up. Nandito po tayo sa City of Imus Sports Complex, and it's a great facility, a nice venue for boxing. Makita natin kung ano nangyari dito. And on the attack si Pakamalan but got hit with a right hand. And Dumamag just missing with another right hand in that sequence. So yung right hand ang pumasok doon para kay Dumamag. But his killer hand is the left. Yun ang pag-iingatan ni Pakamalan. Here we go, round number 4, scheduled for 6. Shoulder roll si Dumamag. Maraming mga defensive na galaw na pinapakita dito ni Lawrence Dumamag. Ang tawag sa kanya the shotgun. Galing Zamboanga del Norte. Ako, ano yan? Headlock. Ito, sinasalubong ni Dumamag with a body shot si Pakamalan. What you like about Pakamalan is that while he has given up a lot of rounds, he's not giving up. Pero hindi niya matamaan na solid. Oh. Magalaw si Dumamag eh. Marunong umiwas. Matilinong boksingero. He's got a nice IQ. Oh, tumama yun. Yung kaliwa. Rather yung kanan ni Pakamalan. Tumama yung kay Dumamag. Yun nga lang si Pakamalan. When he lands, it's just one shot at a time. Hindi kabit-kabit yung mga suntok niya. No? Kulang sa kombinasyon. Dumamag. Again, holding on to his waistband, continuing to fix it. Ewan ko kung anong problema niya sa kanyang waistband. Ayun na naman, no? And if I were a boxer, I would take that as an advantage. Pag nakikita kong gagawin niya yung kanyang yung pag-ayos ng waistband, yun, aatake ako. Pero magaling ito si Dumamag. Marunong uniwas. Floyd Mayweather style. Ito, nasabihin na tuloy yung dalawa. Magaling ito si referee Don Arguelles natin. Aha.
Warning, ha?
Yan ang warning.
Do.
Yan ang warning. Kasi low blow. Oh, nice right hand. Coming from Dumamag. Marunong mag-timing si Dumamag. Yun na naman, 1-2 combination. And then a left hand. Hindi ma-timingan ni Pakamalan. Oh, that time. He threw a nice right hand that connected. Pero hindi kabit-kabit, hindi niya ma-follow up eh. Dumamag, moving away, swaying, holding on. We're going to see some action from the round just ended in our Punch of the Round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Yan po si Pakamalan went down in the first round from a body shot. Ito naman po ang ating Punch of the Round. Dumamag, very elusive. Nakita natin, no? The way he moved around. But that was a big punch scored by Pakamalan. That was a right hand. And then a shot to the body. That was probably the best round of Pakamalan as he came through with some shots to the head and body. And the announcement that round number 5 is coming up. It's been an exciting contest, and City of Imos's finest in the house sa sports complex, making sure that everything is nice and dandy dito po sa paboxing ni Senator Manny Pacquiao. Pakamalan continue to stalk his prey. Dumamag, tinatiming niya ang kanyang mga suntok. Paiwas-iwas. And then moving around, he's walking away from Pakamalan to throw off his rhythm. Oh, magaling umiiwas, ano? Si Dumamaag. The way he moves around, parang Floyd Mayweather. It's very hard to hit. Nakita natin, no? When he moves his head and he sways his body, hindi siya matamaan ni Pakamalan. Now the important thing is to show some offense. Sandali. Bigyan siya ng warning na naman ni referee Arguelles. Patuloy niyang inaayos yung kanyang waistband eh. Yung, pati yung cup protector, nakikita na natin. Oh, tinamaan si Dumamag. But just one shot, and then he moves away. The way he moved away from Pakamalan in that sequence, he ducked that blow. Pero nagkukulang siya dito sa opensa. Dumamag is fighting very defensively in this round. He's got to show some firepower because Pakamalan is taking this round away from him because of his aggressiveness. Hindi na nagkakatamaan dito. Pakamalan knows that he's behind on points. So he's got to stay busy. He's looking for that one shot. Maybe he can put Dumamag down. Remember si Pakamalan, may 2 knockout yan in 3 wins. He's unbeaten. Wala pa siyang talo. While si Dumamag naman, 5-0 with 1 draw ang record niya with 4 knockouts. Hindi matamaan, no? Ni Pakamalan. Very elusive fighter si Dumamag. Very smart fighter. Good defense. Oh, talaga hindi matamaan, no? Ang galing dumepensa. And that's the end of round number 5. One last round coming up to determine kung sinong mananalo sa laban na to. Who will remain undefeated? Lawrence Dumamag o kaya si James Pakamalan who went down in round number 1. Okay, ito po ang ating punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Our right hand connected by Dumamag. Yakap dun si Pakamalan after getting hit with that right hand. It's the last round and referee Don Arguelles getting the fighters together. Reminding them this is the last round. Let's see what they've got. In our unofficial scorecards, Dumamag with the lead. He's been difficult to hit. He's been very elusive as a target. Pero nagkulang siya sa opensa in the previous round. Right now he's spot shooting. And then he moves away. Parang will of the wisp. See Lawrence Dumamag, the way he's fighting Pakamalan. He's really not looking to hurt. He's just looking to score points. Lowering his guard once more. And then bringing up his guard. Right hand connected by Pakamalan. Bumagsak naman ang kanan ni Dumamag in retaliation. Pakamalan throwing some big shots here. Oh, nice left hand coming from Pakamalan. That time he beat Dumamag to the punch. Parehong pagod na. And they're showing signs of fatigue here as we have about a minute left in this fight. Ito, a lot of holding, a lot of resting to catch their breath. Pakamalan still bouncing on his feet. Paiwas-iwas na lang si Dumam-Ag, the way he's moving around, fighting defensively. So difficult to hit, Dumam-Ag. He's a man of 1,000 moves. Galing umiwas, head movement. At kung natatamaan siya ni Pakamalan, hindi solid eh. Puro mga glancing blows because masyado siyang magalaw. Kanyang ulo, kanyang katawan, the way he sways around, the way he rolls with his punches. And that's it. Tapos na yung laban. Now the big question is, Lawrence Dumam-Ag certainly showing tremendous defense, but did he do enough in terms of offense to win the judges' nod? Pakamalan went down in the first round from a body shot. Pakamalan looking like a very frustrated fighter. Hindi niya talagang matamaan ng solido si Dumam-Ag. At kasama po natin dito si Rodel Namuco, sports consultant ng City of Imus, at si Patrick Paulme, sports head of the City of Imus. Welcome po sa Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ang ating mga kasama, mga bagong kaibigan from the City of Imus. Punch of the round natin, presented by San Miguel Beer. Ito, kanan, tapos yung kaliwa, galing kay Dumam-Ag, 1-2 combination. Tinamaan naman siya ni Pakamalan, pero isa lang yun, hindi nasundan. And that's been the story of this fight. The good defense ni Dumam-Ag, yung combination punching ni Dumam-Ag, at saka yung Pakamalan just not finding the right range, at saka yung mga suntok niya pa isa-isa. But let's see how the judges score this fight. And right now, our ring announcer, Bobby Mandahar, is tabulating the score sheets to determine kung sino po nanalo. Lawrence Dumam-Ag, 5-0-1 ang record niya. James Pakamalan, 3-0 on record. One of them will come away with a loss, their first loss, assuming walang draw. Ito na po si ring announcer Bobby Mandahar with the decision, the verdict of our judges.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of boxing, we have a winner. Here are the scores of the 3 judges. Judge Noel Haduka scored it 57-56. Judge Carlo Baluyot scored it 58-55. Judge Alianeta scored it 59-54. All in favor of the winner by unanimous decision, Lawrence the Shotgun Dumam-Ag.
Ayun po, the official decision si Lawrence Dumam-Ag. A masterful performance, yung depensa niya. Doon tayo humanga. Idolo niya, si Vince Carter, hindi naman siya nakakadunk, pero okay lang. Yung galaw niya, parang Vince Carter. Around the ring, parang nasa basketball court siya. But Lawrence Dumam-Ag, great defense, and then he scored the knockdown in the first round. He did what he had to do to win this fight, and Pakamalan just not able to throw enough to convince the judges that he deserved to win. And Dumam-Ag, he's got a big future. He's got to work on his offense. He's got to work on his power. Lawrence Dumam-Ag, a bundle of energy, but certainly one of the smartest, one of the brainiest fighters we have encountered sa Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Yun po yung solar plexus punch na delayed reaction. Bumagsak si Pakamalan and took a knee, took more than a knee, and he got the mandatory 8 count from referee Don Arguelles. So round number 3, pumukpok naman si Dumam-Ag muli. and had Pakamalan reeling back on his heels. Ito naman si Pakamalan trying to do what he can to turn the tide around, but just not enough. Sa round number 6, patuloy yung ginawa dito ni Dumamag, and that defense of Dumamag was sterling. Talagang mahirap tamaan itong Lawrence Dumamag. Great boxing IQ, a masterful performance, well-deserved victory by a unanimous decision. Lawrence Dumamag remains undefeated in his professional boxing career, while James Pakamalan suffers his first defeat.